Let's look at these JAMB past questions, English 2018, question number 16. In questions 14 to 21, choose the option nearest in meaning to the underlined. The meeting was cancelled because of the convocation. The word underlined is cancelled. Option A, brought up. B, called off. C, broke off. D, phased out. So which of these is the synonym of the word cancelled? Now to put this in context, cancelled simply means that the meeting is not going to hold again. So the one that is closely related or synonym to this or nearest in meaning to this is called off. So the word called off also means cancelled. So B is very closely the answer to the question. But now to describe all these words, we have cancelled to mean to decide that something that is arranged will no longer hold or will no longer take place. So that is the meaning of cancel. Brought up simply means to bring something up for discussion, like you're having a meeting and you want something to be brought up for discussion, you understand? To bring something into discussion, you're discussing something, you want something to be included. Broke off simply means to stop or end something suddenly. To end something suddenly, that is broke off. Now phased out means to eliminate something gradually or to remove something or something. So to remove or eliminate something, that is phase out. So you can see that from all these that called off is the one that is very close to cancelled or means the same thing as cancelled, and that's why we're picking option B as the answer. Thank you.